Hey guys. You've probably heard about Fiverr by now, and if you haven't, well, that's okay. We will show you everything you need to know about Fiverr today. From how to get started and earn your first $5, to getting potentially paid hundreds, even thousands of dollars online. Make sure to watch the entire video so that you don't miss any important information that can help you get more people to hire you for so-called gigs. Let's get right into it. First, for those who didn't watch our previous video, I'll shortly explain what Fiverr is. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for freelancers. If you have a talent, you can share that talent with businesses and individuals all over the world, and you make money doing it. Whether you are an artist, programmer, writer, if you can translate other languages, or any skill you have, even playing video games, Fiverr has a place for you. In short, you can offer people all over the world what you're good at, and they pay you for your services. The first thing you need to do is sign up for free. The link will be in the video description. Once you are there, you want to click on the Become a Seller button and start creating your seller profile. How you set up your seller profile is very important, as it will be what convinces the buyer to hire you, and not somebody else. I suggest watching Fiverr's guides, as they explain everything in great detail. I'll show you where to find them on the screen, so keep them in mind for later. Here they are. When your seller profile is all set up, it's time to create your so-called gig. A gig is the service you provide on Fiverr. If it's playing video games, drawing, programming, that will be one of your gigs. How you present your gig is very important as well. For an example, let's say you are offering a gig to create logo designs. You want to post pictures of previous logos you created. If you haven't, create some for practice and post those. You never know, one of them might catch the eye of a potential buyer. Keep in mind that you are not the only person on Fiverr selling what you're good at. There is competition, so you want to stand out as much as possible. I suggest looking up people that are selling the most and observing what they do better than others. That helps them get hired more, and make your gig similar to them. When you are creating a gig, you can set up packages: basic, standard, and premium. You want these to be distinguishable from one another, not just in price but also in the content you provide. Always deliver to the best of your abilities. People will leave you reviews. The better your reviews, the more likely it is for new buyers to hire you. Gig prices range from the lowest of $5 to hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Remember those guides I showed you earlier? Go take a look at them. After that, you should be all set to start working as a freelancer on Fiverr and earning some money online. Thank you for watching the video. We hope it helps you generate some additional income, if not more. Please leave a like and subscribe, as we will be posting more money-making guides and opportunities shortly. If you have any additional questions, leave a comment below. See you guys in the next video. Until next time.